The day starts like the rest we've seen, another carbon copy of an old routine. Days keep coming, one out, one in, they keep coming. I don't know what I wish I had, but there's no time now for thinking things like that. We've got too much to do, too much to do. All these same things, we're always opening up, letting the day in. Over a cup, we'll say hello, how you been? Looking around, seeing the same things every day brings. Hello, hello, how you been? How you been? Thank you again. Some things never change. I wouldn't call this place a happy end, but I've been round the block and just came back again. A small town like ours ain't much, but sometimes home is where you end. Ordered up is how the day will find me. Everything in its place and timing. I like the way most of the days look exactly the same. Order up, check the clock, tick, tick, tock. Don't stop, serve with a smile. Hurry up, fill the coffee cup, and then in a while, take a breath when you need to be reminded that with days like these, we can only do the best we can till we do it again. Come on, move it now.